Hello guys, in this video I'm going to let you understand how to buy crypto on Telegram. Okay, so how can you buy crypto on Telegram is a situation whereby you go to your wallet on Telegram and then you start, make sure you verify everything. So, and you come down to this P2P area. As you can see, I have verified my account before I can perform this action. Okay, so make sure you verify also. So you go to P2P here. By the time you come down to P2P, you can see that we have buy and sell here and manage add and payment settings. Okay, if you have not add any bank accounts, you can click this place and add it, but I have already added my own. So the next thing to do is to come down to this buy. Okay, as you can see, I want to buy tone. Okay, so you can see that I have selected everything to buy here. You can see this is crypto, that is tone that I want to buy with Nigeria currency. If you're not in Nigeria, you can change this side to your currency. Okay, so I click a trusted merchant. Okay, and then aside from that, all everybody. So now I want to buy tone. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to buy just 2000 tone. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to just click on buy here. So I'll just click on buy here. So I will click on buy, and as you can see, this is the ad, this is the information from the buyer. So you have to come down to here to check the details, the instruction from the seller. Okay, so payment, the federal is the Gausu crypto. Okay, so we now go back. When you go back, you come down to this place, to write the amount you want to buy. Don't forget I said 2000. Okay, so I have written 2000 now. So I have to come here to place buy. Okay, so as you can see, this is the total amount I'm going to withdraw, I'm going to receive rather. This is the tone that I'm going to receive. Okay, so the next thing to do is seller must confirm the order within minutes after its creation. Okay, so since this one has been created, so you are about to place an order. Placing order without completing them may impact your rating. Okay, so you confirm order like this. You have to wait for the confirm. Look at this status now. Okay, so that is what you will be looking at when it has been confirmed. So you will be able to go and pay the money directly. Okay, seller accepted the order. Okay, you can see now that the seller has accepted the order. Do you see that? So you can now go and pay the money directly. So how can you pay the money now is to go back to copy this account number, and I'm going back to my own PalmPay account now. Don't forget I want to use PalmPay, so I have copied the account number. So I will now go back to my, okay, so I'm going to just press this place. So to PalmPay, so account number, I press it here. Jubri Abiodun Suleiman is the name. So you just have to confirm it like this, and 2000 naira. So I have to press next. So I confirm. Okay, so I put on my application successful. So you now go back to the wallet now and click I have made payment. You have to click this place. I have made payment. So now that I have do that, so said I should upload receipt to confirm the payment. Please upload the receipt. Okay, so I have to go back again to this my PalmPay account so that I can view the receipt. This is the receipt. So I have to screenshot the receipt. So I have screenshot it. I will go back to the app again and then go to the file. You can see, so this is the screenshot I just screenshot now. I will upload it and send. So I have to wait for the confirmation. As you can see, it takes around 10 minutes. You can close wallet. We will notify when your crypto is credited. Okay, so what time? So as you can see, it has been deposited to my own account now. You can see that you have received 0.100 ton order successfully completed. Okay, so this is how you have to pay directly from your wallet and in your Telegram. Okay, so I will go back to my wallet now to check and confirm the tone. Okay, so to confirm it now, as you can see the amount now that has show here. It has show here. Can you see that? It has shows here now. Okay, so that is it. That is the successful way to trade with or to buy from Telegraph. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you stay tuned for the next update. Peace.